Hi, my name is Ash Neumeister, and I'm super excited to share with people the power of voice and using our own voice as our own medicine. Our signature frequency is so unique. That's why we have things like voice recognition. It's because our own voice really does work as our own medicine. And so we can learn how to use our voice in specific ways to really support us in our life. So I've created 3 package private sessions. It's 50 minutes and you can learn the foundations of how to start using your own voice as your own medicine. We'll learn how to use it for meditation practices and how to clear and balance your chakras, and we'll even get into overtoning, which is when you can learn how to make 2 sounds at the same time. And a lot of people know of this through like Tuvan singing or Tibetan throat singing. And it's been proven that this is the most healing instrument on our own body is our own voice, and specifically when we can do overtones. So I'll just do a brief demonstration of that and see where you can head with these practices. And it's really changed my life, and I'm just really excited to bring this knowledge out into the world and to empower people to just use their own voice in all of these different ways to see what you are capable of. And it really does have an impact on how you show up in the world. And when you open your throat chakra, you start to own your voice, to speak your truth, to listen deeply, and also it works with breath work. So it's about expanding your lung capacity, which is a good side effect. So I'm just going to demonstrate some overtoning so you can see what I'm talking about. So a tone is when you do one sound at the same time, just like a oming, like om. But if you want to do overtoning, it's 2 sounds at the same time that you can learn how to do through shaping your mouth and your throat and your lips in different ways. And so that sounds like this. Oh. And making sounds is an immediate way to shift how you're feeling. So even start doing that now, throughout your day. If you're feeling frustrated or just a little down or anything like that, just sit and start to make some sounds and just see what comes through, and it helps move that energy. And we'll learn more specific ways of how to do this in our sessions together. So check out the link below and reach out to me if you have any questions, and I would love to start working with you. Have a beautiful one.